I have for you today yet another slap bass groove that you can learn to perfect your skills, hone your slap groove chops, and become a better musician, better bassist. As always, the tabs for this groove, along with many of my other videos, are available under the Bass membership level. All you gotta do is join my channel, you get a Dropbox link in the perks, get anything you want. This groove is swung, all the 16th notes are swung. Starts right off the bat with triplet and 16th note triplets. So what I mean by swung is normal 16th notes are 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Swung 16ths, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. So we start off with triplet and, which is a slap, hammer on, pop, slap. E, F sharp octave, low F sharp again. Muted slap pop, then we slap the A string. When you're doing these triplets, you want to really focus on the timing. Triplet and, triplet and. Keep everything nice and even, nice and steady, perfectly in time. So beat 1 is the triplet and, then we have 2 E and. Slap, pop, both muted, slap the A string. Then we're gonna slap the 2nd fret A, just do one of those numbers. And you can do that by just keeping that left hand relaxed. Slap, slide up, and back. My thumb is planted in the back here, and I'm just kind of using it to push my fingers. It's like a combination of my thumb and my forearm. Then we're gonna do the slap the A, muted slap pop. And then it is all the same until the very last note. Open E string this time. Another muted slap pop. C sharp now on the A string. F sharp, bluesy thing. If you're really struggling with that little, do a slap hammer on, pull off, like that. So here, I'll play all 4 measures nice and slow. Triplet and 2 and 3, landed on the A, muted slap pop, triplet and 2 E and 3, E this time. C sharp, E. This time I'm gonna do it a little bit faster and stay in time. No talking, no stopping. 1, 2, ready, and. Full tempo for this is going to be 100 BPM. I'm about to do a playthrough with a drum groove. So if you're not quite ready for that full speed tempo, just pause the video, practice it, come back when you're ready, and you can play along with me. I did find this perfect drum loop on the Practice Bug YouTube channel. Funk Swing Drum Loop Practice Tool, 100 BPM. I think I may have used this groove before, but I swear when I wrote this, I wasn't thinking about this. And if you are a bassist and you like practicing with like drum tracks, if you go on YouTube, type in your genre and then a tempo and then drum loop, you can find people who've made many tools. Some of them are actual drums, some of them are MIDI drums, but there's lots of good material out there. Practice Bug is a good one. Let's go, here we go. This groove is pretty challenging to play at full tempo, so take your time, go slow. Don't be hard on yourself. This is a hard groove. If you're struggling, you want some more advice, go to my YouTube channel. I got lots of slap bass lessons, lots of slap bass toolkit ideas. You can do it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned. I will see you next time. Bye.